So, despite the rumors, I might have some brain damage, but I'm not dangerous. Neither is this lifestyle. I mean, I bought a Japanese bike, but typically I buy American. But that's the thing about life. It's a trip. It's not a parade. You never know. I mean, I have no doubt some people are going to ruin it. But while I'm out here, I might meet somebody new. We might eventually settle down and get a nice house. They might even have a weird obsession with tongues. I don't know. But that's the funny thing about opinions, right? But in the meantime, I think I'm just going to enjoy this Joywave. See if it leads to destruction. Maybe even some double destruction. If you don't get these references, your playlist probably needs a little bit of love. Be safe, you guys. Have fun. I got Half Alive playing in my headphones right now. They're all so good.